To conclude our series, we'll explore the future of digital twins and the emerging trends shaping their development. AI and machine learning enhancements. AI and machine learning are making digital twins more intelligent. These technologies enable advanced predictive analytics, anomaly detection, and autonomous decision-making. Expansion into new sectors. Digital twins are expanding into agriculture, retail, logistics, and beyond. They offer new opportunities for optimization and innovation in these fields. Integration with AR/VR. Augmented and virtual reality are enhancing the visualization of digital twins. These technologies allow for immersive interactions and simulations, improving design and training. Sustainability and digital twins. Digital twins are contributing to sustainability efforts by optimizing resource use, reducing waste, and supporting green technologies. Thank you for following our series on digital twins. If you found this information useful, please like, comment, and subscribe. We'll continue to bring you the latest in tech and innovation.